I heard about Michigan Tech from my family. So I'm actually third generation tech, and both my grandfather and my father are forestry majors. So I heard about it first from them. I first came to tech as a biomedical engineering major, and I thought I wanted to be an engineer pretty much all my childhood. And then when I got here, I was like, no, engineering's not for me. I want to be outdoors, with the natural resources. So I switched to forestry. I did talk to a couple faculty, and the biggest one was just the academic advisor, Stacy. I just asked her, how would I change majors and what am I kind of getting into by switching majors? Is it going to add on any time for my academic years or whatnot? It was very smooth. Yeah, it was just kind of, fill out a couple pieces of paperwork and I was on my way to being a forester. So my first internship that I had was with the Minnesota DNR, and I learned a lot there because the foresters get to do everything from silviculture to timber to, wildlife. And then my second internship was with the Forest Service, and there I did silviculture. And just awesome internships. Tech has just a great reputation, which is why I got selected for those internships. So everywhere that I've been for my internships, I've met a tech grad, and it's just like an instant connection with them, and it's just like it's one of the best schools in the nation for this, and it's just really awesome. The biggest talking point is fall camp because it's just so unique to tech, and it's just like such a bonding experience for everybody you go through with fall camp. And so they're just like, oh, have you been to camp yet? And how did you like it? And they talk about all the different classes that you take there. So if you're looking at coming to tech, it's definitely an amazing school. The reputation precedes itself everywhere. And if you love being outdoors, this is an amazing campus to be at.